Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to add solver to Excel on Windows. Let's watch this video and follow the step-by-step methods. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to add solver to Excel on Windows. Steps to add solver to Excel. The Solver add-in is a Microsoft Office Excel add-in program that is available when you install Microsoft Office or Excel. To use the Solver add-in, however, you first need to load it in Excel. For this, go to File, then Options, click Add-ins, and then in the Manage box, select Excel Add-ins. Click Go. In the Add-ins Available box, select the Solver add-in checkbox, and then click OK. After you load the Solver add-in, the Solver command is available in the Analysis group on the Data tab. Fix worksheet-related issues using Excel Repair tool. If you are facing any error or issue due to Excel file corruption, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to add solver to Excel on Windows. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.